In today's simple tutorial video, I am going to show you how you can delete your Facebook account permanently. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. In order to delete your Facebook account permanently, you need to open the Facebook application. At the top right corner, you will see these three horizontal lines. So click on it. Then click on the settings icon. Click on personal and account information. Select account ownership and control. Select delete account and click on continue to delete account. Once again, click on continue. Scroll down to the bottom and select delete account. Now enter your Facebook account password. Once you have entered that, click on continue and click on this delete account option. And that's it. Your Facebook account is now deleted permanently. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.